be starting not with account opening documents. You should be starting with some course of financial literacy. So I'm a personal management merit badge counselor in Boy Scouts. You can see my scouting stuff behind me. Both of my boys are Eagle Scouts. And that merit badge is a pretty thorough survey of basic financial literacy. We talk about it, stocks, bonds, CDs, insurance, mutual funds, credit cards, credit scores, mortgages, all of that stuff. And these are scouts who are, 13 to 17 years old. That's a perfect time to start talking about financial literacy, and that's what we try to do with our clients' children. Start with just a phone call or a Zoom call about financial literacy. Are you familiar with these topics? Because once you go to college, you'll be walking down the center quad and this credit card will offer you something and this bank will offer you something, and you should know what those things are. And also we one thing I always say to scouts at the very beginning of my personal management merit badge course is, at the end of this course, I will tell you how to become a millionaire. Would you like to know? You only have to wait the 2 hours that it takes to get through this material. I will tell you at the end, and here's what I say. I say, many of you this summer will go and get a summer job, and you'll earn, let's say, $5,000. My son worked at Jersey Mike's, the sub shop, and you could do what I did when I was 15, 16 years old and spend all that money on movies and arcades and hamburgers. Or you can do the smart thing. You could take that $5,000 and you could stick it into a Roth IRA, because you qualify to do that. At some point, you'll make too much money and you will not qualify to put money in an IRA. But if you do that, when you're 15 years old, that money will likely double in value 7 times. And so if you have 5,000, it doubles once, that's 10, doubles twice, 20, 40, 80, 160, 320, $640,000 tax-free when you are 65. So you want to become a millionaire? Put $5,000 into a Roth IRA when you are 15 and 16 years old. Never save another penny in your life. Allow that to compound over 50 years. Just the power of compounding and understanding what time and discipline means to an investment portfolio over time. I mean, that usually piques people's interest in learning more about just basic financial literacy. And we like to start with kids when it impacts them most, when they're young, can understand the concept. So you can't do this with 10-year-olds, but 15, 16-year-olds, perfect. And start that relationship at an early age. That's the opportunity set with that youngest generation.